Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something hot and exciting for you, literally. We're going to talk about the best tankless hot water heater on the market, the Tankless Water Heater Natural Gas by Forimo. This heater is a game changer, and we'll tell you all about it in this 10-minute video. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and updates. We begin with the unboxing of this fantastic product. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get started. There's the heater itself, a user manual, and more. The heater comes in a sleek black design, which not only looks great but also fits seamlessly in your home. It's important to mention that this unit runs on natural gas, making it energy efficient and cost-effective. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this tankless water heater stand out from the rest. The Forimo tankless water heater offers precise and steady temperature control. You can easily adjust it between 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit according to your preferences. Say goodbye to fluctuating water temperatures during your showers. This heater boasts a maximum power output of 68,000 BTU per hour, ensuring on-demand hot water from multiple points simultaneously. The advanced combustion technology reduces gas consumption and minimizes burning noise, saving you money in the long run. Crafted from stainless steel and featuring a built-in oxygen-free copper water tank, this unit offers high temperature and corrosion resistance. It's built to last, ensuring a prolonged service life. Installing the Forimo tankless water heater is a breeze. It's compatible with standard 1/2 NPT water fittings and gas inlets. Plus, it comes with a 2.5 horizontal vent pipe for quick installation. Safety is paramount when it comes to any home appliance. The Forimo tankless water heater is loaded with safety features to give you peace of mind. It's equipped with a flame failure device that ensures the heater shuts off if the flame goes out. This feature prevents freezing in cold weather, ensuring the heater operates smoothly. The Forimo heater has built-in protection against overheating, adding an extra layer of safety. Wondering where you can use this amazing tankless water heater? Well, the possibilities are endless. It's an ideal choice for homes, providing hot water for both bathroom and kitchen needs. If you have a small cabin, this heater is a space-saving solution that ensures you have hot water without taking up much room. Even in remote apartments, you can enjoy the luxury of endless hot water. Segment 5, Customer Reviews. Don't just take our word for it. Let's see what customers have to say about the Forimo tankless water heater. Most customers love the performance and appearance of this water heater. It's been a game changer for many households. Well, there you have it, folks, the best tankless hot water heater on the market, the Forimo tankless water heater natural gas. With its advanced features, energy efficiency, and safety measures, it's truly a game changer. If you're tired of running out of hot water during your showers or dealing with inconsistent temperatures, it's time to consider upgrading to the Forimo tankless water heater. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay warm and enjoy that endless supply of hot water. See you soon.